Hey, good evening, everybody. I am Andy, and I'm unedited, I'm unscripted, and I'm uncensored. And this is number 6. Been working on taking care of this tree down the driveway here on the right side. I moved the bigger part of the tree a little bit further down. Just kind of left them lay there, filling the side of the driveway. But anyway, yeah, I'm just taking down this tree. This is number 6 of the series here. I'm giving it a go here on YouTube to see what happens. So please, by all means, like it, share it, tell your friends about it, subscribe to it, hit your notification bell. My God, it's a mouthful. I'm doing this in 15-minute segments. We're just gonna tidy this place up a little bit. You can watch me work. You can watch these 2 deer up here on the left. You can watch them. Watch me. And see what happens. Go ahead and pull that back a little bit. Yeah, I'm just gonna move all this stuff off the grass here and then prepare it for burning or whatever. But that brush, my fire ring up there is overflowing, so I need to take care of that at some point. But anyway, let's see if these deer hang out with us for a while. And yeah, you know, if you didn't watch the other 5 segments, check them out. And you know, tell me what you think. I'm not a farmer. I'm just some schmuck here with a little piece of property that requires a little maintenance from time to time. And that property maintenance includes taking care of a fallen tree. And that's what we did here this afternoon. Here, December 12, 2021. A little bit cooler today. We had some 70-degree days. Last week. Well, shoot, yesterday was about 70. Had a little bit of rain. It was about 70. It was a real nice day yesterday, except for the rain. The deer don't really mind me too much because I don't hunt them. I'm not opposed to hunting. I simply don't hunt them. I'm not opposed to the meat. I eat venison. If you want to send me some venison, bring it on. As long as it's good. I tell you what I do with it though is I make chili out of it. You know, I mean, I've eaten tenderloins and from time to time, if I have them, I might cook them and eat them. But as a habit or as a rule, most of my venison gets ground up, seasoned for chili, and cooked for chili. And that's what I do. That's what I like. I'm the only one in my house that eats it. That's what I like. So yeah, if you got a little extra, man, sure, send it my way. Or if you got a great way you prepare your venison, tell me all about it. Tell me all about the way your favorite way to prepare your venison. I guess I'm mostly out of the camera shot here. Hell, I don't even know if you can hear me. These guys, they know I'm not really a threat. They don't see me. Only thing they've ever seen me do out here is shoot video and shoot pictures. You know I'm not going to shoot an animal. But again, I'm not opposed to it. I just don't do it. Alright, old boy. I got to finish up, man. It's getting dark. We are losing sun very fast. And, man, I should have left the tractor out here, just loaded all this stuff right up in that bucket and dumped it. That'd have been a lot easier. All right, let's just get to it. I don't know where we are, man. This is probably the 15 minutes. As you can tell, I'm getting winded, man. I'm getting tired. A little hungry, a little cold. These 15-minute segments, man. You know, that's really all we need. Anyway, looks like we still have a few minutes. I ran over on a few. Maybe we'll go under on a few. Either way, we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna put together some different projects. I'm gonna work on those projects. You're gonna follow along with me, or in most cases, I will have completed the project before I will have posted the first video, and everything will be done. But there also will be times when I won't have done that. Don't need the wood. Get it up out of my way. Little pieces. Oh, I know what these little pieces are going to be for. They are going to be for my little fire pit out front. That's right. Shit, I forgot all about that. To my fire pit, and then we'll call it a night. And I'll grab that chainsaw, call it a night. Right now, let's take a look over here and see if we missed the fire on the mountain. Yeah. We pretty much missed the fire on the mountain. There's my little that's my front yard fire pit. But we missed the fire on the mountain. Oh God, I'm out of shape. All right. What is this? What I say, number 6? This is number 6. You want to know a secret? I've spent the last 6 years sitting at a desk job behind 2 computer monitors, sitting on a phone most of the day. And so I resigned from that job. COVID basically took the job. And I resigned from the job, and so I'm doing something different now. Right now we're doing YouTube, and doing some YouTube and some eBay. You can visit us at eBay, Giles 24136. That's who we are. That's where we are. We are in Giles County, Virginia. Pembroke, Virginia 24136. Visit us at the eBay store and like my videos. Follow us along. Follow us on the journey. I got a couple acres out here. I'm going to be farting around with it from time to time. This is just a little bit of it. I believe something came on here. Got a more festive Christmas display. Nothing fancy out here, folks. We're just a couple of adults trying to get along in life, trying to get through this COVID nightmare, trying to get through this crazy political climate. We're just trying to get along in this world. Again, like us, subscribe to us, share us, hit the notification bell. I'm Andy. I'm unscripted, I'm unedited, and God damn it, I'm uncensored. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.